can always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the partial drop list for Supreme week 6. Honestly, they added 8 items to the drop list. I wasn't even gonna make this video, but I'm gonna do a quick little update for y'all on what we got so far. Honestly, if they add some more pictures along the way, I might come back and film the last clip, but I'm not about to keep waiting for Supreme to drop the fucking drop list. So we about to go ahead and talk about what we got so far. I did talk about the True Religion collab in yesterday's video, so hey, if you want my full detailed review on it, check that, but I'll briefly cover it in this video. If you do end up enjoying, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content, and you might as well subscribe anyway because I'm giving away this Supreme TNF shoulder bag. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, go on nori.archives on Instagram and follow me on there. Once you do those things, make sure you go ahead and send me a screenshot on nori.archives. I'll give you a number, and when I pick the winner in a week or so, you will be notified through that Instagram. Hey, go ahead and do that, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So honestly, this video isn't going to be the fanciest shit ever. I just want to get a little bit of content out for y'all real quick. First, we got the True Religion collaboration. Like I said before, yesterday I dropped a video talking about the whole collection, and I also covered some fire sneaker releases coming soon. The gist of it is that it's dookie, bro. Like, I'm not really feeling it. My favorite pieces out of it though have to be the beanie and the hoodie. The other pieces are just kind of ass. I have it on the screen right now for y'all to see it, but yeah, that's just my overall thoughts on it. The black hoodie is clean, the gray beanie and the black beanie are fire as well, but personally I just stick away from the whole shit, so scrap that. Let's talk about the actual items that are from the lookbook. So yesterday I also did talk about the food jar. I feel like both colorways are clean. Retail is gonna be like $38 or so. If I were to go for one, I'd probably go for the black, and resale wise, I don't know if it's really gonna do much. Maybe like $60 to $70 maximum. I don't see myself spending more than $60 for this shit resale if it's something that I actually wanted. In yesterday's video, I let y'all know that they also did one a couple seasons back, and this is part 2 to the food jar shit. But yeah, food jar is clean. Let's go ahead and talk about this Nanoflash. I don't know what the hell this is, but it says it's a motion bug with an LED light. I guess this is to like protect your home and shit. Like, I'd probably have one down here because of my sneakers or something. I don't know, bro. Personally, I'm just gonna skip on these shits. Let me know if you know a little bit more about them in the comments. I honestly know nothing about these, so let me know in the comments if you do, because I don't. I guess those are whatever people are feeling though, so low-key inform me in the comments. I don't come here and bullshit y'all. Like, I don't even know what the fuck those are, so let me know. We got the Faces sweater. I feel like out of the crew necks, this is one of the ones that actually isn't that bad. I love the way that the design is kind of played out. Like, there's one face on one sleeve and then another one at the bottom on the other side. This is actually kind of clean, and it does carry on to the back as well. Personally, I would go with the white colorway. I wish it was more of like a creamish tone. I feel like that would have been so much better. I'm gonna skip on this whole shit. We got the Kanji Camo zip up baseball jersey. Zip up is a key word here because they don't normally do zip up jerseys. Like, that's actually kind of rare. This Supreme jersey is not bad. It has a bunch of writing on it. I don't want to say Asian or Japanese, I don't know, let me know, but this does come in 3 different colorways. We got this blue, this tannish color, and the red color. Personally, I'm a fan of like the black with the tan. That one is my favorite. I feel like it's more subtle, toned down, kind of like I like my shit, but a lot of mixed emotions for this. I feel like if it was a little more simple, I probably would have liked it a little more. So we do have the John Coltrane collection dropping this week. All I really know about him is that he's a saxophonist. He's actually a really popular name when it comes to the jazz side of music. But we do have this jacket coming out in 2 colorways, the black denim and the blue denim. Personally, I'd probably go for the blue. I just feel like it looks a little more clean on this piece, and it gives me denim jacket vibes. I love the way that it says "A Love Supreme" around the bottom of the band. Definitely clean, and I think it's hard. Honestly, let me know what you guys have to say about that. Personally, I feel like the jacket's not bad. Would I go for it? Hell no, but I think it's solid, not gonna lie to y'all. We also do have the jeans coming in the same two colorways, that blue denim and then you got the black denim. Both of these, once again, not bad. Personally, would I get them? Would I wear them? I don't really think so, bruh. Like, I'm not really into pattern pants to begin with, but that's just a little OD for me, you feel me? But we do got the Gons pieces coming out this week as well. We got these pants, which actually are not half bad. Normally, I steer away from like Supreme pants, but these are not that bad. I love that design that they have on the bottom and on the back pocket. Actually, it's something different, you feel me? The olive color is not bad, and let me know what y'all have to say about these. I know it's a little bit different, but honestly, I probably wouldn't even go for these. I just appreciate what they look like type shit, you feel me? But last up from the lookbook items, we have this work shirt, and it comes in 3 different colorways. It's to match those pants that we just saw. It has basically that same design on the front, and then on the back, I'm guessing it has the other design. Literally, that's exactly what it is. Personally, I feel like it's alright. The work shirt is better than the pants. This week is looking type mid, like type ass in my opinion. Let me know what y'all have to say about this week in the comments. If there are any extra items added to the list, I'm gonna go ahead and add it right here. But if it's something that's ass, I'm not even really gonna dedicate a whole nother segment of this video. I'm gonna just put it up right here, let you know what I have to say about it, and then we straight up out. But if y'all enjoyed this one, man, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel if you're new. For these quick videos, like little sporadic joints, you need to click the post notification bells, because hey, I've been posting so much content for y'all. The least you can do is come back and show some love. Make sure y'all join that giveaway. All you have to do is like, subscribe to the channel, follow nori.archives on Instagram, and DM me proof that you did all those for a chance to win the Supreme TNF shoulder bag. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.